guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have such a fun video for you guys. I am so excited. I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 photo shoot ideas that are super easy. You can do it by yourself at home, but they're gonna look like you went to a studio and got them professionally done. So I wanted to mix it up a little bit. All 3 of these shoots are so different from each other, and they all kind of vary in like skill level. Not that any of them require skill, but you know, some of them are just easier to do than others. Also, thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. I will be talking about them later on. All right, so for the first photo shoot, this one was inspired by Ava Jules, and she was inspired by a TikTok. I'll have both of them on the screen right now. The second I saw Ava's pictures on Instagram, I knew I had to do this video. So I bought a cloud backdrop. This was probably only like 15 bucks on Amazon. It is so worth it. I am telling you guys. I'll have it linked in the description. This is the only photo shoot that requires like buying things. You could also probably make this though, but I can't paint and I don't have the patience. This is also huge and really easy to work with, but if you want to make it, you totally can. I also wanted to add my own twist on it. I didn't want to make it just like theirs, so I found these butterfly hair clips on Amazon. I'll have these linked in the description as well. Here's one of them up close. These are definitely not necessary. I just kind of wanted to add my own twist to it. Plus, you guys will see what I do with them, but they were a very small part of this photo shoot. I had the cloud backdrop laying out on a bed flat so it wasn't super wrinkled. I brought it in my room, set everything up, and started taking pictures. Okay guys, we have the backdrop set up and it looks pretty good on camera. I'm kind of excited about it. It has been ironed, but there are still like some wrinkles in it, but I tried to get them all out because I want it to look realistic. Well, I mean like as realistic as it can. You can almost see, yeah, you can kind of see the outline of the mirror as well behind it, but I don't want to mess with the mirror and take it down or anything. So if it ends up being a problem, I'm just gonna do some editing and try to edit that out of there. But hopefully it's not an issue. I had to move my desk so that it wasn't in the way. This was really the only wall that I could do it with. Plus right here in my room, it's like semi-good lighting. I really should have put it lower so that I could just like sit here and pose. I think I'll just get a stool to sit on and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so that was honestly kind of a fail. I've been looking at some of the pictures and I tried editing them and they just don't look good. I think it's just also that I'm not good at like posing. I really want like a really cool editorial look for these pictures, but they're just not coming out how I want them to. We're gonna try a little bit of a different approach. So let's see if this works. Alright guys, so I stopped for a bit and I looked through a bunch of the pictures. I edited some. I was trying out like a bunch of different lightings. I'm not sure if you guys could like see what I was doing, but I tried using a ring light. I tried using the white panels for the ring light, and then I also tried using the orange ones for like warmer lighting. I can't really tell if I liked either of them, to be honest. And when I was like filtering the pictures, they just ended up looking better when I didn't use any like other source of lighting besides just natural lighting. So I tried again. I haven't looked at the pictures yet, but I think they were better this time. I got a whole bunch of stuff going on right now. My room is so messy. I got 2 coffee cups here. I got my laptop. I looked up some like model pictures so I could see like what like poses to do. I have a stack of books that I used as a tripod. I even tried doing like a little hair scarf. So I'm gonna go through and look at all the pictures, edit them and everything, and I'll put all the good ones on the screen now. Hello everybody. So it's now time for photo shoot number 2. It is currently 11:30 and I just did my makeup for this photo shoot. That's why I'm talking kind of quiet because my parents are asleep right now. So I'm gonna pick an outfit right now for this second shoot. So my idea for this one is to do kind of like a vintage shoot. I did one of these before. I'm gonna do it a tiny bit different this time. I'll insert the pictures from last time because I actually really liked how they turned out. So that's kind of the vibe we're going for right now, but this time it's gonna be at night. I did this on purpose. I'm not just procrastinating. I specifically wanted to do this at night because I wanted to do more of like a almost like disco like retro theme to it. So I'm gonna change the color of my lights to purple or some sort of like pinkish purplish blue color because I want those lights to be like on my face. You guys will see what I mean. I don't know how to explain it really. So that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. I'm gonna look for an outfit right now and I will update you guys when I find one. All right guys, I'm all changed. It's kind of hard to see in this lighting, but I swear they're 2 different colors. I layered this white top top with this green top. They're both from Brandy. I have on my heart locket and then some really thick hoop earrings from Princess Polly. And then you're not even gonna be able to see these shorts, but they are thrifted. So for this one, I kind of want to be standing in front of this mirror and have the camera like behind me like this, and then be like putting on lip gloss or something. So I need to be able to like stand right in front of it. So I'm gonna move my desk out again. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna set everything up, change my lights, get my camera all ready, and take some pictures. All done. All right guys, that was super easy. I don't know why. Sorry if you can hear my fan. It is super hot in here. Okay, so I think I got the pictures. It was very, very, very quick. That took less than 20 minutes. And earlier with the whole like cloud backdrop and everything, it took several hours. Probably like 4, no, 3 I bet. If you have a mirror in your room, oh my god, I didn't even have to do all that. I literally have a mirror right here. Whatever, we still got the pictures. I'll use my dresser mirror next time. Like I was saying, if you want a really quick photo shoot and you have a mirror, this is the way to go. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm gonna be editing these to look more vintage and like film-like. So here's how they turned out. Hi guys, quick little commercial break. I want to take a minute to talk to you guys about Skillshare. So if you don't know what Skillshare is, it's basically just this online learning community that just has all these classes on anything and everything. They even have a ton of classes on photography, so if you're struggling a little bit with these photo shoots, Skillshare might be able to help you. They have other classes on things like film and video, productivity, crafts, cooking, literally just the most random things you can probably find on there. There's a class on how to make the perfect grilled cheese. Like, they have everything on Skillshare. And don't worry, this is nothing like classes at school. These are actually fun classes that can help you learn about different things that you just are interested in, things that they don't teach in school. I actually have some recommendations for you guys of classes that you might like. So I have their website pulled up right here. There is a class called iPhone Photography, How to Take Pro Photos on Your iPhone. That could be so helpful to you guys, especially if you don't have like a DSLR camera to take these pictures with. By the way, in case you were curious, I have been taking all the pictures on my Canon 80D. Speaking of that, if you do have a DSLR camera, there's a class called Fundamentals of DSLR Photography, and there's a ton more. You guys know that I really enjoy film, so there's another class that I took. It's called iPhone Filmmaking, Create Cinematic Videos with Your Phone, taught by Caleb Babcock and Niles Gray. This class is so cool. They made it look like the things that they were shooting was like a movie, when in reality it was just shot with an iPhone. That is so cool. So since Skillshare is curated specifically for learning, there's no ads and they're always adding new premium classes, and it's super affordable. It's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. And I have a deal for you guys. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will receive a free 2-month trial of premium membership. I would definitely take advantage of that. That is an awesome deal. I highly recommend Skillshare. It is so helpful and you can learn so much. So yeah, go check it out and let's get back to the video. Okay guys, I am back. I have on a completely different look right now. It is almost 1 a.m. and I just straightened my hair for this video. I feel like it just matches the vibe of this shoot a little bit better. I have on these silver hoops from Brandy, and then this necklace also from Brandy, and this tube top also from Brandy. Oh my gosh. So you guys have probably seen this next idea on TikTok before. I'm gonna be doing the like spotlight challenge, I guess. So basically what you do is you take a toilet paper roll and you tape it to the back of your phone like that, and you turn the flash on and it makes a spotlight on the wall, and then you basically just like stand in the spotlight and pose. So that is the photo shoot idea that I'm gonna be doing right now. This one is gonna be a little bit tricky. Since I'm using the flashlight on my phone, I can't use my Canon app as a remote, so I really am just gonna have to do like self-timer on this one and just keep running back and forth taking pictures. Hopefully we get some good ones quickly so that I don't have to spend like an hour doing this. I would like to go to bed at some point. I also don't know how I'm gonna stand. Ooh, wait, I just had an idea. I might know how I'm gonna stand my phone up. This whole video has been a bit tricky because I have to use 2 cameras. I have to use one to actually take the pictures and then another one to record. And I only have one tripod, but then I also have a ring light. So I've been using the ring light also as a tripod. And now with the spotlight one, I'm gonna have to find another way to hold my phone up. So I'm just gonna experiment a lot and I'm just gonna pray that this goes well. You guys, this is how I ended up doing the spotlight. I found an old tripod that is broken, and because it's broken, I had to put a tripod on top of the tripod tripod and attach it to my phone. So we had to get a little creative, but it ended up working. At first I actually had my phone sitting on this like thumbtack and it worked, but it just wasn't far enough away, so the spotlight was like really tiny. So I needed to move it back a little bit, and that was the only way I could do it. So I'm gonna take some pictures now. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so I just got done taking the pictures. Basically what happened was I couldn't use my self timer. My camera wouldn't take the pictures because it wouldn't focus. It's hard to explain, but I think it's because it was dark. I couldn't be in the frame when I was like pressing the button to take the picture, and so since it didn't have anything to like focus on, since it was really dark, it just wouldn't take it. So what I ended up doing was taking a video. So I'm just gonna have to go through and just screenshot whatever good pictures I got. Kind of sucks because I'm definitely sacrificing quality, but this is the best I'm gonna get when I'm doing photo shoots by myself. So I have no idea if I got any good pictures or not, but I hope I did. If so, they will be on the screen right now. Alright guys, so those are all the ideas I had for you today. I definitely have more ideas though, so if you want me to do a part 2, give this video a thumbs up so I know. Also, something I wanted to mention was how I edited the pictures. I definitely recommend downloading the app Lightroom and investing in some presets. So I bought some presets from this girl on Instagram called Shots by Alex. I'll have her socials on the screen, but oh my god, her presets are amazing. Literally game changing, you guys. I'll have a before and after on the screen right now of some pictures I took. Literally made the biggest difference. It made my pictures look so much more professional than they really were. They don't have to be her presets either. So many photographers sell their presets, so I'm sure you guys would be able to find some that you like. They obviously don't have to be this girl's, but I just think this girl is really talented and her presets are very much like my style. And then I also used the app Prequel to edit the pictures. So yeah, I think that is about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, like if you want a part 2, and the links to all the things that I bought for the photo shoot are gonna be in the description. If you made it up until this point in the video, comment the little cool emoji with like the sunglasses because you're really cool for staying till the end. Also, go check out my Instagram and my TikTok because I'm sure there will be some pictures on both of those. With all that being said, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.